Okay, now let's continue practicing and use the switch with the C++. So the switch for C++ should be the same. So here we need, let's follow the pseudocode. We need the sharp key. So this one we're gonna use a string because, okay, so if you remember, let's start using namespace std, so make it easier for us when we are typing the code. So a string, and we don't need this here. Okay, and here we need this string key. Then we want to print to users, so cin, cin is to read from users, cout, and we want to write type press a key from keyboard. Here remember end line, semicolon. Now we want cin, and cin we're gonna assign to key, right? That's where we're gonna save the data from user. And now we want the switch. So for the switch, so here we have creation of the variable. Here we change it from char to string. Then we have cout, that we are asking the user to type a key. Then we have cin to read the value, and now we want the switch. So switch, open close. So which variable we want to evaluate is key, right? And now here we need the case. In this, sorry for that case, and here should be q. Then we want break, and here we have cout. We want to type a program finish. What is the problem here? Let's check what is the problem. Local variable, the string key expression must have integral or enum type. So it looks like we cannot have switch with the string inside the. Okay, let's try sharp. Let's see. And this one. Okay, now it works. So it looks like C++ we cannot put the string in the switch. I will find information for that, and I will add it later in the next video if I found it, why we cannot use it. And let's see how it works now. Okay, then default, for default we want, okay, what we want to type something. Okay, so for default wrong key. Okay, let's see how it works. Our program. Okay, press a key, E, wrong key. Let's do it again. Then press the key, Q, program finish. So it's working our switch. You can see it's writing almost the same way we wrote it in the other languages. Now let's type one more just to show you another option. Okay, like we did before. And here is program. Let's put key saved. And here let's gonna put this while loop. I will explain you this while loop in more details in the later videos. So we're gonna put the condition always true, so it will evaluate always, and here we need this one. Okay, now we have while, so it will be always asking for this. I will show you now. It won't get out, it will always waiting for. But you remember here the while loop is before, so we need this actually here, and let's put this one here. So now let's run this. Okay, press a keyboard R, run key, press S, save, press Q, finish program, press P. So you see it's working our switch, but don't forget to put this break here. Let's say if I take this break, let's see what happens, so you can understand why it's so important. So here, Y, run key, keyboard, Q. So you see we don't have a break when it's K is Q, so it go inside the Q because it's Q. The program finished, but there is no break, so execute the next one, key save, and then execute the next one. So be careful when doing that, you need the break. In this case here we want to finish the program, so we're gonna put return, we need to return 0, and here we're gonna put break because here we don't want to return or finish the program. The only one we want to finish the program is the case Q. So here let's type different keywords, T, wrong, everything is wrong, and with Q our program have finished. So you see now this is how we do it in C++. We continue with the next one. See you.